Hi guys! Good morning! Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ang sa harap ng aming bintana, sa harap ng aming accommodation, yung simbahan. You know, see? We're in front of the church. Can't believe it. Oh my God. We're gonna go there inside later. Okay, we're going. Samahan nyo kami. At saka may mga store din dyan sa harap. Samahan nyo. Oh, Didi. Here's my daughter. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ito ay sa balkonahe ng aming accommodation. Maganda at maaliwalas, di ba? This is where we're staying. This is our room. And here's the elevator. See? And there's the stairs too. But we're gonna use the elevator. See? Dito lang yun. Wala ito sa Pilipinas. Only the people can go inside. This is the Europe style. Right, Nay? Yeah. And here's a mirror too. Just good for two people. The elevator. The lobby. Dito na kami sa baba. Palabas na kami sa aming accommodation building. There's another going upstairs. See, there's also there. See. What a nice place, right? Lalabas tayo. Kitang church. Ito na ang church na makikita sa taas. Here's your bus. Maghanap kami ng aming makakainan itong umaga. First day in Italy. You look for the place to eat. Yun daw ang ambulance, guys. There's a church also there, huh? That's a Catholic church. Dito na kami sa place nga kung saan kami kakain ng almusal. This is our first breakfast here in Italy. Kain tayo. Pancake yung sa akin. This is the inside of where we eat our breakfast. But we have to go Eat first before we go somewhere. Yes. Barry was in the Vancouver. I'm gonna buy these flowers. Okay guys, pupunta na tayo sa Coliseum. Samahan niyo kami. Tingin-tingin man kayo dyan sa mga building na dinadaanan namin. Hey, Mai. Dito na kami, tatawid na kami sa kalsada. Across the street, yun na ang Coliseum. Nakikita niyo ba? Picture muna. Pahabang sa bungad pa kami. Okay guys, let's go to the entrance. What do you call this?
Coliseum.
The Coliseum?
Yeah.
We are here at the Coliseum. At Rome. Rome? Italy. Wow, what's inside? How much to pay?
30.
Okay guys, manood na lang kayo kung saan kami pupunta. Lots of people. Hello baby. Here is now the entrance. Nag-line up kami guys ng matagal. Hindi ko na pinakita. Mainit kasi. I've been there that side a while ago. And then here on the crowd. Good. Lots of people. What a nice river. Papasok tayo guys sa museum nila. Tingnan natin dito sa loob kung anong mayroon. Been there outside. Kabayo, putol ang ulo. What's this banana? Jar. Daming jar. Jar here, jar there, jar everywhere. Museo del Polo. That's 12 o'clock. It's the bell for 12 o'clock. Hinintay ko anak ko dito. Naupo ako dahil napagod na rin. Sa yaya niya ako, pero sabi ko ikaw na lang umikot. Ganun pa rin yung naman ang nakikita. Kaya malis siya. Ayun, picture ulit. Bago umuwi. Ito ang mga picture na kinuha ng anak ko. Yung napaiwan ako dahil napagod ako, diba? Kaya siya na lang umalis. Ito pinicturean niya na lang. Habang naghihintay ako sa kanya sa isang sulok, ginsend na sa akin itong mga pictures. At pagbalik niya, uuwi na rin kami. Kaya dadaan muna kami sa store. Dito na rin kami sa store. Bibili kami ng tubig at saka kung ano-ano dyan na makain. Nakabalik na kami sa accommodation. Dito na kami. Papasok na. Aakyat na kami sa taas. Gid. We go to our elevator. Pagdating namin, pahinga lang ng konti at saka lalabas naman para sa aming hapon. Get them rin.
So if you miss our bus, you can go in your city in Chinatown and
May timba. Kung sa atin ito, nakapila ang tao. To get the water. Ayun, ang gas station nila besides the road. This is our building for our accommodation. The front is church. That's what I said on the other video. waiting the elevator. There you go. Open. Like this. And then pause. And then go in. There's a mirror. The house, what the size of this?
Okay guys, dito na kami. See you tomorrow.
Bye,
Good
isa
night,
pa.
everyone.